In this video, I'll show you how to create a subscription plan in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on Content and Memberships. On the Content and Membership section, you want to head over to the top and right corner and click on Create. And once you do that, this is where you can add a subscription for either a pricing plan, a course, a video on demand, a blog, a member site, a sales page. Now, let's say we want to create a pricing plan. Now, click on Pricing Plan. And from here, this is where you can add the details of your subscription. Now, on the name, we can set this as premium users. And at the bottom, you can also set a description for the name. Now, on the benefits, this is where you can add a benefit for this subscription. So, on the benefits included, you have a pre-filled one, which is over 20 hours of video content, unlimited lifetime access. At the bottom, we can add a benefit. And on this benefit, we can name this to Premium Early Access. Now, if you scroll down, we have here the pricing. So since you want to create a subscription, head over to the bottom and click on subscription. Now from here, you can set a price. Let's say this is $1. Now on the right-hand side, you can set this to be a week, a month, or a year. And at the bottom, you can even add another option. Let's say you want to add this price, which is $1 for every month or every week, if that is something that you want to do. And at the bottom on the tax code, this is where you can do an automated tax or an automate tax collection. Now on the included products, you can add your digital product if that is something that you want to do. So at the bottom, if you click on add digital product, in here you can set a new blog, one of your members, as well as a video, let's say our members. And at the bottom, you can even add sign-up limits. You can add enrollment dates. You can limit the dates that sign-up is only available. So on the right-hand side, if you toggle this on, at the bottom, you can add a start date as well as an end date. And once you're done with your subscription, head over to the top and right corner and click on Create. Now, in order for you to see this subscription, you want to make sure that you have a member site within your website. In order for you to add a member site, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side again, and make sure to click on a website. Now, under website, you want to click on pages. And on the pages section, you want to head over to not linked or main navigation. But on the not linked, you want to head over to the right-hand side and click on the plus sign to add a new page. Add a page will pop up, and on the left-hand side, you want to head over to Sell, and under Sell, click on Content and Memberships. Now at the top, click on Member Site, and from here, you can choose from one of the templates that are available. You can customize them later on. Let's say I want to add this. Now, once you add it on the left-hand side, you will have a new option, which is for Member Site. At the bottom, click on Member Site. And from here, you want to head over to the top and click on Add a Pricing Plan. And from here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Add to Existing, which is the pricing plan that we have created. And in here, you will have your subscription. So this will be the premium users. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on Add. Now it will automatically be added within our website or within our member site. Now, if we try to view this by heading over to the left-hand side and click on Paywall, you will see that this is how our membership looks like. If you have two options, it will have yearly, weekly, or yearly or monthly, depending on your options. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.